Do's and don'ts. Do's. Always keep the pan clean and free of any leftover crumbs. Do not forget to add the thickness for the particularly chosen recipe. Don'ts. Do not touch the pan or the machine when it is turned on with your bare hands. Do not run the machine without any ingredients in place. Cleaning instructions for the Eco Griller machine. Clean the outer body of the machine with the fiber cloth provided as an accessory, or else use a damp cotton cloth or a sponge to wipe away any dirt or debris. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage the surface of the machine. By the end of the day, wash and clean the griller pan thoroughly with warm water and soap, and make sure to keep it dry and clear for the next time you use the machine. Troubleshooting. If you are experiencing problems with your Eco Griller, here are some steps you can try to troubleshoot the issue. If the machine doesn't turn on, make sure that the power switch is turned on. If in case the stop button is pressed, then release it to turn on the machine for usage.